Okay, so we're ready to start testing our app. So the first thing we want to do is go to our settings, and let's from this we actually created our prototype. You can select, as you can see, you can select the what kind of iPhone, what kind of Android device. You can even do for web, which is amazing. You can prototype web applications, which not every prototyping tool does. But here we are going to select iPhone 6, right? So we can actually even select the color that we want. So I don't know, I kind of like the white one, but so just put it there. It's good. So all of these options, delete them right now. What it gives you by default, but you can change it later. So let's go to behavior, disable hotspot hints. Let's keep those there. Let's just keep all of these as the default settings. So here, this is an interesting part. We actually want to have black text on clear background. So let's go ahead and select this one. So that's good. That's perfect. We're not going to do anything in security. And let's close this window. And now you're seeing all my Facebook notifications. So are you ready for this? Because I'm ready. I am very ready for this. Let's just press the play button. This is amazing. We're gonna see it live. So you press play and the boom, ka-boom. You have your app. You have this window if you want to actually go through each screen, but let's just close it. I want this front and center. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see the whole thing. As you can see, you have see how your cursor changes where the hotspots are. If you click outside the hotspot, you can see that actually it tells you where the hotspot is. So let's go ahead and click here. Oh man, look at that. It's amazing. It's just nice. That's great. I really like it. So let's go to sign up. There you go. Let's pretend we clicked something here. Boom. Let's join Swanky. Oh, there's some onboarding. Oh, when you scroll, it scrolls and it's still there. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, cool. Let's select the brand. What do you think? We follow Coco Chapelle. Oh my god, sexy. Nice. Let's continue. You see that flip? Did you see that flip? Oh my god. This is just good. So you have your menu here. Let's go to discover. Ooh, you can search for stuff. It's just so fun. You know, it's just so fun to play with this. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, let's select the size. What do you say we select the size? Oh, you know what? I'm a medium. Select medium. Boom. Select it, baby. Select it. Let's go back. I don't have any money right now. You know what? It's probably not what we wanted. We have to fix that. We actually want to go back to search, but let's keep it like that right now. So let's go to brands. Boom. You scroll down and that menu is still there. It's just so sexy, so good. Look at that. Now let's select you. Look at that handsome man. Hopefully that handsome person will be you. Let's go to the settings. We didn't add any transitions there, but we can fix that later. Do not worry. We want to push left. Perfect. Oh man, I really like this. Let's go to Coco Chapelle and I'm following. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, do we have any? Oh, we didn't have any products here. That's okay. Do not worry. Let's just go to feed. Let's get to this one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is making me really, really happy. Don't you think? This is just nice. Okay, cool. So just feel free to play around with it. Fix the stuff that you need to fix. Whatever you just like go back to your prototype and, for example, I need to fix this thing. I want it to be pushing left instead of just like this. I want it to have an animation that pushes left. So it's actually, just go ahead and do that. Let's go here, go to the one that you want to fix. So this is the one. Just click it and see there was no transition. I want it to be pushed left, Pablo. Come on. Cool. You don't have to do anything here. It's already saved. So let's go back to our prototype. Let's click the tab and refresh it. Boom. So now it's refreshed. Has to load again. Don't have to worry. Do not worry about it. Let's go here. Yeah, you have to go through all the flow again. Don't worry. Let's go to you. Let's see if it worked. Let's see. This has to push left. Boom! Oh my god, look at that. So good. So good. Now I want this to push left, you know? Let's do that. Yes, let's please do that. Let's go to the next screen. This one doesn't have a transition, so it's just like push right, actually. Push right. Let's see it live. See, it doesn't work unless you actually reload the page. So don't worry, just reload it. It's fast. It's fast and furious. You gotta send some details. Let's continue. Let's go to you. Boom, 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 boom. I could be all day doing this. I could be all day. Look at that, sexy. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. Boom, boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Select the size. Boom, boom. Oh my god. Perfect. So just again, just feel free to play around with this, and it's your app. It's just like, it's gonna feel so good when you're. It's just like, this is what all the work we did it was for, to be able to feel this in our hands, to see it in the phone. So next thing we're going to do is actually put it in the phone. I'm going to be recording with a camera and just like see all these interactions, but with an actual phone. And it's gonna be 10 times more fun, because an app is not supposed to be used with a mouse. It's supposed to be used with your hands. So let's do that on our next lecture.